Our next violation is labels must be descriptive. And if we look down here, again, it's telling us that there are 2 form controls missing labels and that each one needs to have a descriptive label. But this is the same thing that's causing the violation up here, so we can skip that. The next one is radio buttons must have grouping label. And it says the action is to add a field set container with a legend label for each group of the 3 radio inputs, not in a grouping container. So these are 2 HTML tags we haven't used yet. Let's do a quick search for them. I'll open up a new tab and I'll search for field set and legend. And I'll open up the W3 schools result. And so it says groups related elements in a form. So we have a form, then a field set. The field set goes around several different inputs. And then the legend tag, if we hit back, we can open up the legend tag page here. And it says the legend tag defines a caption for the field set element. Okay, so let's go back to our index.html file. And I'm going to do a quick search for our radio buttons. So they're right here. And we're going to wrap a field set around these. So field set, I'll indent everything. And then I'll close the field set. And now the caption is really this right here. So what I'm going to do is cut this out and put it inside the field set. And we'll change the paragraph tag to legend. Let's save this and refresh it in our browser to see how it looks. I'll scroll down. Okay, so it looks pretty good minus the new border that we get. Let's inspect this and see what we can do to get rid of that. So here's our field set, and it looks like the border is being set by our normalize.css. Let's see what happens if we remove that. So on this element, I'm gonna set the border to 0, and I think that's what we need. All right, so it looks like the field set is in our contact form -type. So let's find that selector. I'm gonna go to our contact form partial, and we have our type label here, and here's type. So within type, we're setting some styles for our label, and we're also going to want to set a style now for our field set. So I'm gonna add a new selector here for field set, and we're going to set the border to 0. We'll save this and refresh in the browser. Okay, looks good. Now let's refresh in Firefox and see if we've fixed that violation, and sure enough, it's gone. Okay, let's go back.